Now let's practice reading about some of these iconic places of the world. Places. The first picture shows the pyramids. Do you recognize from where they are? These are the pyramids in Giza, Egypt. The second image is of Athens. This is the Acropolis in Athens, Greece. The third image is the famous Colosseum. The third image, is of the Colosseum in Italy. Have you been to any of these places? In Greece, Italy, or Egypt? If not, which one would you like to go to? These are historic monuments of the world. They are important as they tell a story from centuries ago. They speak of a time lived. A national monument is constructed to commemorate something of value to the country, which can also be a part of the national heritage. It can speak about independence, war, historical figures, etc. Do you know about the 7 wonders of the world? Our world is filled with the most unique structures that are both man-made and natural. Each have a tale of its own that is still living through us. They are an epitome of timeless engineering and marvel. Which is your favorite from the 7 wonders of the world? My favorite is the Taj Mahal in India.